Well, hello YouTube. I am back with another video on the DF Goblin build. Don't mind the side skirts sitting down below there. That'll be a tomorrow project. Today I got quite a bit done. As you can see since the last video, I have some mirrors and some other components. So figured I'd kind of walk you through kind of what I've done so far today. I ended up putting on the left caliper that I've been waiting on that DF sent out a couple days ago, and I finally got it in. Got the brake lines installed for the front, and then those, the way they do it now compared to what they show in the video, they rivet onto this top rail. At least that's what I did. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you're supposed to do it, but I got the brake lines on. I got that front caliper on. Got everything torqued to proper specs. Got the brake lines bled out using a hand vacuum pump. Then I kind of worked on some electrical stuff, got the mirrors installed. I got the rear lights installed, as well as the license plate mount. Otherwise, I moved my air box or my air filter housing there down a little bit to what DF had recommended for the naturally aspirated version. I kind of like it there, it kind of stays out of the way. But I also got the cables ran for the transmission shifter, as well as the e-brake. And that was kind of a struggle because I did not have, this was from a donor, was a 07 Cobalt LS. You're supposed to use Cobalt SS version for the e-brake lines. So I ended up using 3/8, just like electrical conduit, to use for the metal piping that you would otherwise keep off of an SS. Then I just attached it. I don't know if you can see that. I drilled out a hole there and then looped it around and hung it off this bracket here. So it just kind of loops down and around. And then it just makes a nice 90-degree bend here, and it fits perfectly right through the holes that are in your e-brake handle there. So e-brake works. The shifter cables, I kind of just laid down, put it somewhat to DF's current specs of, each equal amount of threads on either side. There's a good forum post that I'm going to follow tomorrow to get the remainder of that hooked up. So tomorrow I will finish out the remainder of the clutch shifting knobs there, and then hopefully we'll get it rolling. But I also plan on doing the side skirts tomorrow. That's on the agenda. But I'm kind of waiting for a buddy before I finish everything else. I have these little buttons here, which is the return and info on the right, and then the hazard and horn on the left. Once those are back, I will hook everything up here, which you have I ended up buying DF's harness portion. So the hood after that will go on, which you see over here, and then the windscreen and the seats, and I am done. So once I get confirmation that the seats are actually shipping, which they told me hopefully next week it'll ship, I'll schedule a appointment with IODOT. Hopefully this guy's really nice, because I really like to pass inspection the first time around. So I'm hoping everything goes well, but maybe here in the next 2-3 weeks I will have it legally registered in the state of Iowa. Right now, it is not a good time to drive here in Iowa. We have a total mess. So, yeah, maybe here in the next month, I will have decent weather that I can drive. So, if you have any comments, please leave it in the comments section. Thanks for watching.